to relieve yourself anywhere, notice that the patch of bushes you often visit grows much more lush than other areas. It turns out this is because feces contain a large amount of nitrogen, and nitrogen promotes plant growth, making leaves denser and plants taller. As the saying goes, don't let good fertilizer go to waste, so you start keeping your waste to fertilize your vegetable garden. Sure enough, your crops grow better than your neighbors. However, your personal output is limited and cannot sustain long-term supply. So you spread rice straw in the donkey pen, allowing the donkey's manure and urine to mix with it while being trampled day and night. You then periodically remove this mixture and pile it up, letting microorganisms decompose and ferment it, eventually forming a nitrogen-rich organic fertilizer full of humus. This method is known as the treading manure method, recorded in ancient agricultural texts. Although the addition of nitrogen fertilizer makes plants grow taller, they don't bear much fruit. By chance, you notice that citrus trees near discarded bones and shells produce a lot of fruit. It turns out bones and shells contain phosphorus, which promotes flowering and fruiting. So you gather large amounts of bones and shells and burn them into ash to improve absorption, creating a phosphorus fertilizer. Looking at your tomatoes, now bigger and more abundant, you happily pick one and take a bite, only to find it doesn't taste very good. Clearly, something is still missing. Later, you discover that tomatoes grown in another plot have better color and taste. This is because you had burned weeds there, leaving plant ash in the soil. The potassium in the ash helps transport sugars, starches, and proteins within plants, improving sweetness, flavor, and color. Thus, you obtain a potassium fertilizer. Finally, you cleverly mix all three fertilizers together. And congratulations, you've essentially invented nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium fertilizer.